Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. S. Muthukumaravel, Head of the Department, BCom Corporate Secretariat, Patrician College of Arts and Science. Today, we discuss about marginal cost and basic sum, Part 1. Marginal cost, nothing but variable cost. Profit volume ratio, nothing but contribution. Total cost equal to variable cost plus fixed cost. The very important formula for calculation purpose of profit. Sales minus variable cost, you will get contribution. Contribution minus fixed cost, you get profit. This is comes under 5 marks and 10 marks also. Next one, calculation of contribution. We already saw the format. The same format applicable for here also. Contribution equal to sales minus variable cost. Next one, contribution equal to fixed cost plus profit. Next formula, calculation of PV ratio. PV ratio nothing but profit volume ratio. PV ratio equal to contribution divided by sales into 100. When the sum given 2-year profit and 2 years sales, we calculate PV ratio equal to changes in profit divided by changes in sales into 100. Next formula, calculation of break-even point. Break-even point nothing but no profit, no loss. In the sum given break-even point in unit, the formula is fixed expenses divided by contribution per unit or break-even sales value divided by selling price per unit. If the sum given break-even point in rupees, the formula is fixed cost divided by PV ratio or break-even point in unit into selling price per unit. MOS nothing but marginal of safety. MOS equal to actual sales minus break-even sales. If sum given MOS in unit, the formula is profit divided by contribution per unit. If the sum given margin of safety in rupees, the formula is profit divided by PV ratio. Next one, expected or required sales for given profit. If the sum given calculation of in unit, required sale in unit equal to required profit plus fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. If the sum given rupees, required sales in equal to required profit plus fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Next one, calculation of profit from given sales. Profit equal to contribution minus fixed cost. Contribution equal to given sales into PV ratio. These are the 7 formulas in marginal cost. It's a very important to work out the sum. Now discuss the sum. Profit volume ratio is 60% and marginal cost rupees 50. What will be the selling price? I already explained profit volume ratio is nothing but contribution and marginal cost equal to variable cost. Particular, the sum given percentage, so second column percentage, third one rupees. The format is sales minus variable cost, you will get contribution. First write the formula, then what are the information given, fill the appropriate place. First one, profit volume ratio is 60%, therefore contribution percentage is 60%. Next, marginal cost is 50, therefore variable cost rupees 50. Always sales is 100, so we will get 40 for variable cost. 100 minus 60, you will get 40. Now we calculate sales. Rupees 50, rupees 50 for 40 percentage. Then what is the amount for 100 percentage? Now we will calculate 50 into 100 divided by 40. We will get 125. Therefore, the sales is 125. 125 minus 50, you will get contribution 75. The sum asking sales only. The answer for sales is 125. Now we will discuss the 5 mark sum. The following information is obtained from X, Y and company for 2006. Sales rupees 20,000, variable cost 10,000, fixed cost 6,000. Find out PV ratio, break-even point and margin of safety. Once the sum given sales, variable cost and fixed cost, we must calculate calculation of profit. The formula is sales minus variable cost. We will get contribution minus fixed cost. We get profit. Now sales is 20,000. Variable cost is 10,000. Therefore, you will get 10,000 for contribution. Minus fixed cost 6,000. 10,000 minus 6,000, you will get 4,000 for profit. A PV ratio. A equal to contribution divided by sales into 100. We already calculated contribution 10,000 divided by sales, the sum given 20,000 into 100. We will get 50 percentage. The PV ratio is 50 percentage. Next one, B, break even point. Break even point equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio. The sum given fixed cost is 6,000 divided by PV ratio. Now only we calculate 50 percentage. 6,000 divided by 50 percentage equal to, you will get 12,000. Next one, C, margin of safety. C, margin of safety. The formula is profit divided by PV ratio. We already calculate profit rupees 4,000 divided by PV ratio is 50 percentage. So we will get 8,000. That's all about this sum.